Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our AWS Certified AI Practitioner course. In this lesson, today, we'll focus on something that must be top of mind in every AI project: security. As generative AI becomes more integrated into business systems, it's essential to ensure these systems are secure, private, and trustworthy. Let's begin by identifying the AWS services and features that help secure AI systems. At the foundation, we have AWS Identity and Access Management. IAM roles, policies, and permissions ensure that only authorized users and systems can access AI services or sensitive data. Using least privilege principles, granting only the access necessary for a task, is key. Next, we have encryption, both at rest and in transit. Services like Amazon S3 and SageMaker allow you to use AWS-managed or customer-managed encryption keys to protect your data. For sensitive data discovery and protection, Amazon Makey helps automatically identify personally identifiable information, PII, in your datasets, enabling compliance and privacy. AWS Private Link adds another layer by allowing access to services without exposing data to the public internet, crucial for regulated industries. And don't forget the AWS Shared Responsibility Model, which outlines what AWS secures like infrastructure and what customers are responsible for, like data, applications, and access controls. Beyond tools, security begins with data transparency, and that's where source citation and data lineage come in. Knowing where your data came from is essential for ethical and trustworthy AI. Tools like SageMaker, Model Cards, and AWS Glue. Data Catalog help document data origins, transformations, and quality. This supports transparency, governance, and debugging if something goes wrong. Now, let's talk about best practices for secure data engineering. Start by assessing data quality. Bad data can lead to flawed models and outputs. Use validation checks and integrity controls to ensure accuracy. Apply privacy-enhancing technologies, such as anonymization or differential privacy, especially when handling sensitive user data. Always implement strong data access controls and role-based policies to protect against unauthorized access. Next, let's cover broader security and privacy considerations for AI systems. Your AI application is only as secure as its infrastructure and application layer. That means keeping services and libraries up to date, monitoring for threats using tools like Amazon Guard Duty, managing vulnerabilities with AWS Inspector, enabling infrastructure protection through AWS Shield. And when working with generative models, be aware of prompt injection attacks, where a user attempts to manipulate the model through crafted inputs. You can mitigate this by filtering inputs and outputs, enforcing formatting rules, and setting up guardrails. Also, always enable encryption at rest and in transit, especially when transferring training data, model outputs, or user-generated prompts. In summary, securing AI systems involves layered protections across data, infrastructure, and model interactions. AWS offers a rich ecosystem of services and best practices that allow you to build secure, private, and trustworthy AI applications. Thank you for joining us today, and see you soon.